Welcome to Bedroom Comfort.
Here is the quick simple take before you buy. Today I am keeping it simple: what stands out, what to check, and who the tech gadget is for. I am focusing on practical value, what it does, why buyers may like it, and the main thing to verify before ordering. The first thing that stands out is the feature set. 3 key features: sleep soundly with BLUEAIR's smart, mist-free evaporative humidifier. Enjoy hassle-free refills. That can make it more useful in everyday situations. Clean moisture. Enjoy advanced humidification with BLUEAIR's 360 degrees invisible mist technology, delivering clean. This is the kind of detail that matters more than the product photos. Innovative design, effortless top-fill design for quick refills, plus a long-lasting antimicrobial wick filter. For most buyers, that is where the value starts to show. The key positives are easy tech, daily use, and smart upgrade. The one caution is simple: check the size, compatibility, and exact model before buying so expectations match the listing. A real customer review mentioned that it full content visible, double tap to read brief content. My simple verdict: the tech gadget looks like a practical pick if the current price fits your budget. If this review helped, please like the video, subscribe for more honest reviews, and share it if you liked the video.